An Engineering Excellence Award is being presented to RMG Rocky Mountain Group for the Broadmoor Cloud Camp. The Broadmoor Cloud Camp is the latest addition to the Wilderness Experience theme at the world-class Broadmoor Hotel in Colorado Springs. Situated on top of Cheyenne Mountain, the intimate retreat provides an above-the-clouds experience with stunning 360-degree unobstructed views of the Front Range.
This had a lot of challenges in order to build this project up on top of this mountain that's is a wilderness area. And the theme was to kind of replicate a lodge that was built back in 1927 by the original founder of the Broadmoor, Spencer Penrose.
RMG Rocky Mountain Group provided structural engineering for all structures at the retreat, including log cabins at the Grand Lodge, which transformed from the former iconic fire tower into a new guest experience. The structural aspects of the project pose many unique challenges. Perched at the top of Cheyenne Mountain, accessing the site, hauling heavy construction materials up the Cheyenne Mountain Highway, dealing with asbestos debris, building a foundation through loose decomposite granite to bedrock, and incorporating large log columns to the exterior finish to blend architectural appointments with the mountain setting, all stimulated the need for creative engineering solutions.
The conventional approaches to mainly foundation designs and framing had to be thrown out the door on this one. We had to think of unique ways to locate a foundation, design a foundation. A good example was the cabins. Where the cabins were built for people that were going to stay overnight was in most of them were on a sloping area, which is kind of a boulder field with a bunch of aspen trees and pine trees and fir trees that didn't want to disturb. A lot of the things that went on during construction that we had to work with the contractor on was they had like a ramp and a pulley system to get the materials up to the fire tower because there's no natural roadway or even footpath to get up there. So we had this long ramp and pulleys that they had a little trailer, like the old mining days, that they brought it up, all the materials back and forth.
Important to the vision of the project was including portions of the original concrete walls and stairway of the fire tower into the new lodge structure to preserve remnants of the past history within the building plan.
We knew the building portion itself we couldn't reuse, but we kept the foundation, which was a big piece of concrete kind of embedded on all these big boulders up there, and we were to utilize that as the base for the new building. Of course, this is a new building that's going to be all windows. Going to be 2 stories plus a utility room at the bottom, which we expanded out past the original foundation. And with all that high wind load, we had to figure out a way to design this thing not to fly away in the wind.
RMG Rocky Mountain Group strategically aligned foundation and framing designs to extend over and around or directly on top of these historic features. And the result of this innovative engineering solution allowed the firm to incorporate ruins of a lodge that was torn down a half-century ago into a vision for a one-of-a-kind Colorado experience in the clouds that fulfilled the desires of the client to preserve the project's pristine environment.